Google's official standalone Daydream View still hasn't seen the light of day, but partners like Lenovo are stepping in to fill that gap. Lenovo just announced its new Mirage Solo headset, which uses a Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 to power Google Daydream without a phone. It's completely standalone and uses the same Daydream controller as the official model to control the virtual world around you. The Mirage Solo is bigger than a regular Daydream headset, but it's still pretty compact for all the power it's packing inside. It puts most of the pressure on your forehead, unlike Google's model, and it's remained pretty comfortable for the hour or so that we had to mess with it. Lenovo is packing high-quality lenses with a 110-degree field of view, and that should keep everything nice and sharp while minimizing the screen door effect. You're not going to get quite as wide a field of view as something like the Pimax VR headset, but it's pretty respectable for Daydream. Oh yeah, and since this is using a Snapdragon 835, you're also going to get 6 degrees of freedom to work with. That means you can duck, jump, and peek around corners to really feel like you're immersed in a new world without any wires. Alongside the Solo, Lenovo also announced the Mirage Camera. This is a stereoscopic camera that can capture 13 megapixel photos and video in a wide 180-degree field of view. It doesn't have any sort of screen or viewfinder on it, but you can easily see what you're capturing with the included app. You can use this with Google Daydream or just share it to YouTube or Google Photos. You can also live stream with this thing with the tap of a button. There is a tripod thread built into the bottom, so it's pretty obvious that Lenovo wants you to take this with you wherever you go. The Mirage Solo headset's going to cost you $449, and the Mirage Camera is going to cost $229. Both of them will be available in Q2 of 2018, and make sure you stay tuned to Android Authority for all the latest, because of course, we are your source for all things Android.